At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC, limited liability company, in Florida involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with Florida's naming requirements. The name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC. Additionally, it cannot contain certain restricted words and must be distinguishable from other existing business names in Florida. You can check name availability through the Florida Division of Corporations website. 2. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the Florida Division of Corporations. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes information such as the LLC name, principal place of business, registered agent's name and address, and management structure, member-managed or manager-managed. 3. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity authorized to accept legal documents on behalf of the LLC. The agent must have a physical street address in Florida. This could be a member of the LLC, a third-party service, or the LLC itself. 4. Draft an operating agreement. While not legally required in Florida, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC, including member roles, voting rights, profit distribution, and dissolution procedures. Having an operating agreement can help prevent misunderstandings among members. 5. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. Apply for an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This unique 9-digit number is used for tax purposes and is necessary for hiring employees, opening business bank accounts, and filing taxes. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 6. File annual reports. LLCs in Florida are required to file an annual report with the Florida Division of Corporations. This report updates the state on any changes to your LLC's information and keeps your business in good standing. The annual report can be filed online through the Division of Corporations website. 7. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain specific licenses and permits to operate legally in Florida. Check with local and state authorities to determine which licenses and permits apply to your business activities. 8. Comply with tax requirements. Make sure to understand your LLC's tax obligations at both the state and federal levels. Florida does not impose a state income tax on individuals or businesses, but you may still need to register for other state taxes or obtain certain tax permits. 9. Maintain compliance. To keep your LLC in good standing, you'll need to fulfill ongoing compliance requirements, such as filing annual reports, paying taxes, and renewing licenses and permits as needed. It's a good idea to consult with a business attorney or a professional service provider familiar with Florida's LLC regulations to ensure that you complete all the necessary steps correctly and in compliance with the law. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.